Obviously, we all, not just myself, but we all tend to judge and make conclusions based on one of our background. And obviously, I was born in Finland, and I did my schooling there. And in Finland, we have a very good education system, but not only we have a very good, social security. And while I don't want to give an impression I was born with the silver spoon in my mouth, my mother was a single parent. My parents divorced when I was 4, and we weren't very wealthy at all at the beginning, but my mother was studying in the evenings and she was able to improve herself and then progressed in her work. So then, there was more disposable income, but obviously schooling and everything in Finland is free anyhow, and there's a lot of opportunities for people. And I suppose I have been judging people from that background, where now I met people who don't really have these opportunities. People are, struggling with substandard housing. They don't have they have financial struggles, and even just basic. I mean, I'm talking about safety. They could be, domestic violence. Even the environment. What was also very shocking in these more disadvantaged areas, children don't have, garden to play, or they don't have a safe garden to play. Even the environment where I was visiting was very dull. To be honest, quite depressing. I have lived in third world countries like in South Africa for 5 years, and I have, traveled extensively and worked for 3 months in Bangladesh. But when you are working and you are living in third world countries, you sort of understand, you expect these things. But when you're living in a country which is affluent and most people are, doing pretty well, it's very hard to believe that only a kilometer on that side of the highway people are dying, 3 times more likely to die of cancer, for example, because it's just next door to you. And that was maybe the most shocking thing when I was driving back from for example, from Limerick, having met these people, and I just felt, obviously my own thoughts about them before, but also the fact that I don't think I appreciate all the things in my own life, and I maybe am quick to say, that's not good, this was good. I think it's, I think we all have something to learn from those things. We are having a great country here in Ireland. It's safe. There's a lot of things good here, which I think we don't even appreciate, but it's not like that for everybody.